Your business needs a reliable data protection service offering that ensures data resilience for your customers. Secure from cyber threats, accidental deletion, data loss, and natural disasters, customer data must be monitored, managed, and recovered quickly. And for providers like you, scalability, automation, and multi-tenant management are paramount to your business model. Veeam helps by providing a secure connection between service providers and Veeam customers, making it easy for customers to send their backups and replicas to your cloud. Multi-tenant by design, Veeam Cloud Connect is built into Veeam Data Platform, so customers keep their data safe and business protected in a few clicks. Whether customers need to send backups off-site to meet the 32110 rule, or protect critical workloads with a low RPO DRAS solution, Veeam has you covered. With a single platform, you can offer backup as a service and DRAS that meet critical recovery objectives. With backups, snapshot-based replication, and continuous data protection, you can build a right-sized data protection strategy. Veeam Cloud Connect alongside Veeam Service Provider Console scales with your business, providing opportunities to automate with RESTful APIs, plus monitor and manage customers. With native integrations for trial provisioning, Veeam Cloud Connect provides a quick and easy setup for new customers. Test drive Veeam Cloud Connect today with a free 30-day trial.